Betta fish are colorful jewels in the fish-keeping world. People have been keeping and breeding bettas for hundreds of years for their dazzling beauty and lively personality. Here are some interesting facts about the betta fish. The word betta is a genus name and refers to over 70 different types or species of fish. Betta splendens are the most common and are what we typically see when we go to the pet store. Bettas are known to be highly intelligent and alert to their surroundings, and can even be taught tricks using food as a reward. It has been noted that bettas also have the ability to recognize their caretaker over time. You may have heard that bettas can live in tiny tanks because they just come from puddles in nature, but this isn't entirely true. This comes from the fact that bettas originate from areas in Southeast Asia that periodically experience drought. Much of the water dries up, leaving only puddles behind, which allow the fish to survive until a storm comes and floods the area again. But these fish only truly thrive in much larger, wider bodies of water. Due to the fact that their natural environment dries periodically, betta fish have adapted and developed the ability to breathe oxygen directly from the air using a special organ called a labyrinth or breathing organ. Males build bubble nests with their mouth to hold eggs which hatch after a few days. The male betta then diligently protects the baby fish until they are old enough to be free swimming. It has been observed that domesticated betta fish are more aggressive than their wild counterparts, likely due to the fact that ornamental bettas were bred to be fighting fish as a sport. Wild bettas also tend to have much duller colors than the domestic betta fish. In their natural environment, bettas are carnivores, primarily feeding on insects. In captivity, they will typically take a variety of foods and even benefit from the addition of some plant material in their diet, as it contains beneficial fiber and nutrients. Veiltail, crowntail, and half-moon are all fairly common tail types, but there are dozens more available on the market in different shapes and sizes. Additionally, red, blue, and black are common betta color varieties, but there are also many more, like metallic copper or marble. The options are limitless. Bettas are commonly recommended as a beginner fish and can be great for new fish keepers getting into the hobby. However, bettas do have their challenges. These fish require at least 5 gallons of water, temperatures of about 76 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, clean and filtered water, proper decor, and a balanced diet in order to thrive. A lot of fish shoal together and travel in schools, but the betta prefers to be a lone wolf. Betta fish do well in an aquarium of their own as they have the potential to be aggressive to other fish. They flare their fins when they feel their territory has been threatened. We still have a lot to learn about betta fish, but we can always appreciate the elegance and personality that these incredible fish bring to our world.